So I think tolerance is important in our world today because you can really explain to children especially that everyone is equal, because nowadays you can see how many millions of people are suffering basically because of their nationality or their gender or even sexuality.
It is important because that's the only way to live in harmony with other people.
I always spark tolerance as a level of understanding each other's differences and respecting them.
Well, we can learn a new things from them, something about their culture. They can teach us something that we don't know.
About each other, about each other's religion, and it shouldn't make a difference to anything. Because in some parts of the world, people are intolerant. A lot of people are being tortured because they are different, which is not okay. Nobody should be left out or feel depressed because they are different. Everyone is special in their own way.
You accept people because you understand that they equal to you, because you don't separate people by their characteristics. So basically tolerance is all about your view on world and your values towards other people. So basically tolerance is the main reason to all the people basically live together without some conflicts, because even the small conflicts can lead to bigger conflicts.
Everyone can contribute. One person's efforts may look very small and unimportant, but if everyone is aware of tolerance and importance of tolerance, then that's a precondition for more tolerant world in general.